This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about food displays. Specifically, we're talking about this 12-inch curved bamboo food skewer holder. So this is a great little item to pick up if you're looking to do some catering, you've got some cocktail parties, maybe it's a work mixer, whatever the case. These little holders will hold cute little picks and skewers, and we have a cute little set of decorative picks. It doesn't come with the holder, you have to buy these separately, but there's a ton of these little bad boys on the market, so you've got a lot of options for how to personalize it. But you can see it has a nice, stylish little S-curve design to it, and it's got 20 holes, meaning that it's great for putting together small little apps, right? And putting them on skewers and just sticking them in so that they're self-service, or even doing things like setting up your cocktail garnishes on so that they're ready to go and plop into a drink and make for a beautiful finish, right? It also gives you a nice kind of visually aesthetically pleasing display, right? It's made of organic bamboo, and you're going to want to hand wash these items and dry them thoroughly in between usage, right? It's 12.6 inches long by 3.9 inches wide, and it makes for a lovely little display, especially on the corner of a bar, or to set up a bunch of these on maybe a table in between some different apps and dishes if you're having a cocktail party.